Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Do you have a different system if it's felt? Do you do it differently than you would a tile, or is it still the same 2-layer, same felt?
No, so if it's tile, we're gonna do 2-layer. We're gonna do 2 layers if it's tile, and then if it's shingle, we're gonna do 1 layer, and that's typically like a 15-pound felt, and then we do like a synthetic grade felt.
And in the first segment, you had said you were looking to see how many layers of shingle. By code, when those asphalt shingles reach the end of their economic life, you could put another layer of shingles on top of that.
Yeah, so you're allowed to have 2 layers, but after that, Maricopa County code is that you have to strip it down to the wood decking,
which is a weight factor.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
They don't want to put additional stress on the structure of the home.
Yeah, and I'm glad you actually brought that up too as well, because I'll go to houses and it will be a shingle roof, and they'll be like, I want to do tile. And I'm like, well, we need to get an engineer in here. We need to see if your house can hold the weight of the tile because it weighs more. And so a lot of times we do get those questions, and we're not opposed to doing it, but we just want to make sure that your house is structurally sound before we go ahead and put that on there.
A big difference in weight load there.
Oh yes, a huge difference.
And those are the two most popular types of roofs here in Arizona. Is your currently, your asphalt or your metal, not metal, concrete, clay, tile roof that has infinite different styles, designs.
Yeah, different styles, different designs, and even if like we replace one, like let's say we're replacing a shingle roof, it's going to be a lot quicker to replace the shingle roof than it would to replace a tile roof.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner